You don't have a time problem. You have a decision problem. Because right now, someone, somewhere, is using the same 24 hours you have and completely changing their life. And you? You're wondering where your day went. That gap is your future. Think about your last 24 hours. You worked, you studied, you handled responsibilities, but after all that, what did you do with your own time? Scrolling, random videos, overthinking? And at night, that same thought hits. I did nothing today. Here's the uncomfortable truth. You don't need more time. You need to stop wasting the time you already have. Because your life is not built in big moments. It is built in small, repeated decisions. Every single day. You treat money carefully. You think before spending 100 rupees. But time? You spend it like it's unlimited. That's your biggest mistake. Because time is more brutal than money. You can earn money back. You can't earn time back once it's gone. It's gone forever. Let me simplify this. If you invest just 30 minutes a day in yourself, reading, learning, building a skill that becomes 15 hours a month, 180 plus hours a year, that's 7 plus full days of self-growth. Now ask yourself, are you even giving yourself 30 minutes, or are you giving it to your phone? Let's get real. When you spend 2 hours daily scrolling, you're not relaxing. You're trading your future for dopamine. 2 hours per day equals 730 hours per year. That's 30 plus days of your life gone. Not invested, not remembered. Just erased. There's a difference most people ignore. Rest versus waste. Rest gives energy. Waste drains life. Rest equals intentional waste equals unconscious. If your break doesn't recharge you, it's not rest, it's slow self-destruction. Here's a simple system that can change everything. Your evening rule. You already gave your day to work. Now protect your evening like your life depends on it. Divide your free time into 3 parts. Recharge, 30 to 60 minutes. Real rest, not scrolling. Growth, 30 to 60 minutes. Skill, reading, building something. Reflection, 10 minutes. Ask, if I repeat today, where will I be in 1 year? That question alone will wake you up. Here's where most people fail. It's not about how much time you give. It's about how focused you are. 30 minutes of deep work beats 2 hours of distracted effort. If you're checking your phone every 5 minutes, you're not working. You're pretending to work. You say, I don't have energy. No, you're wasting energy on things that give nothing back. Notice this. Meaningless scrolling leads to drains you. Meaningful work leads to energizes you. Your brain rewards progress, not distraction. If you want control of your time, you need to learn one word, no. Every yes to useless things is a no to your future. Unnecessary calls, mindless content, time pass habits. They're not small, they are stealing your life quietly. You don't need motivation, because motivation disappears. What you need is consistency, doing something small, even when you don't feel like it. That's where 99% people quit, and that's why 1% win. Ask yourself, are you someone who controls time or someone controlled by time? Because your identity decides your actions, and your actions decide your life. Don't just watch this video and forget it. Do this right now. Decide your daily 30 minutes. Fix the time. Fix the activity, protect it like a meeting. No excuses, no negotiation. 1 year from now, you will either say, I'm glad I started, or I wish I started. That decision is not tomorrow. It's today, right now, because your future is being written by how you use your next 24 hours. If this hit you, don't ignore it. Like the video. Subscribe for real practical growth, and answer this in comments. What will you do in your 30 minutes tomorrow? Most people will watch this, feel motivated, and do nothing. If you're one of them, this video is useless. If you act, this becomes a turning point.